Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying that the plotter is online and visible to Autocad. Check USB or network names in your OS. Open the Drawings Layout tab, right-click the layout and open Page Setup Manager, then choose Modify or New. Next, select the printer/plotter from the drop-down. If it's missing, click Add a Plotter to import the PC3 driver. Once done, make sure the selected plotter matches the physical device to avoid later mismatches. Now you fine-tune the core settings. Choose paper size and orientation and pick the plot area, layout, limits, extents, or window. Use window for custom areas. Then set plot scale. For construction drawings, use a standard scale, otherwise 1 for true size. Assign a CTB or STB plot style file to control line weights and colors, or turn off plot styles if you're mapping color directly. Once configured, preview the plot to confirm line weights and finish by saving the page setup with a clear name, or save it into the drawing template so you don't repeat steps. Use Plot Preview to inspect margins, scales, and line weights, then plot to file or directly to the device. If prints are misaligned or missing objects, make sure the plotter driver matches the chosen paper size and orientation, verify CTB/STB assignments, and confirm the correct plot area. If problems persist, reload the PC3 driver or restart Autocad to clear cache.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.